Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can wipe cache partition on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s. So the first thing that we need to do is open the recovery mode, and we can do that by first turning off the smartphone. So let's power off, and after it is off, what you need to do is press and hold two buttons, the power button and the volume up button. Press and hold these buttons together at the same time and hold it until you see the Android logo over here. Now we can release it, so we can see the Android logo and the Motorola logo in the middle. Now we are in the recovery mode, and in order to wipe cache partition, we need to scroll down until we find the option. There we go, we have wipe cache partition, and we need to confirm it with the power button. So do that, and then as you can see over here, we need to confirm it, so you need to press yes, and once again press the power button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.